Beautiful catalogs with the photocopies of the model. These are all varieties where you're watching here. The lovely Jippo package with beautiful unique designs. I just want to take one bag. Lovely bag which I can see over here. So bunches of varieties. Let's see how the collections are over here. Friends, before going into video, I'm just opening the catalog with the Jippo package. Lovely collections of the boutique resellers. You can see here the lovely beautiful prints of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 collections, and over here the entire pattern of the suit material and the logo of the Kesaria manufacturers. Such a lovely print. I can only say here the Farin collections, the Kesaria logo, and the packing also. You can see every individual packing, the varieties, the Jippo package, individual packs also. You can see the package of varieties and the empty pouch. Every pouch you have a 6 colors, 5 colors. Not only this pouch, you can see the one more pouch over here, the long bagger, which is like suitcase backpacking, which is a large based. This is also one more one. So all the colors, every individual. Boutique resellers, come on boutique resellers, hurry up for these collections. I can say here, all these varieties you can purchase about 500 rupees. These are the boutique collections. So if you are into boutique, so these collections, today I brought for you the only jam cotton fabric varieties of printed suit material. These are all suit material for the, you can also plan for your shop, for your showroom or boutique shop. So friends, you all know I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. I'm just sharing you every day new products based on your saris or suit materials, chudidars, matching varieties, all those collections. Today I brought for you only jam cotton fabric suit material varieties, latest print out varieties. These collections having a fancy print with the work also, royal and rich look. 500 to 1000 rupees range, only factory price. The actual price I have not mentioned here. To know the actual price, take a screenshot, call the numbers which are scrolling on the screen. Quickly you can do online purchase and video calling purchase. So let's see the first pattern, which is a Google is the code. The chocolate color, very pretty with the digital print. Beautiful pattern of this Google print. Okay, this is the pattern, the lovely sequence work, and this is the dupatta. Okay, every color you have a individual design with a different colors. Next pattern, mehendi green, which is, this is Sanover 8. Sanover 8 is the code. Dupatta, you can see here, print with on that golden stones. This is the pattern. This is the pattern is the code. And if I talk about the next color, which is black with grey, which is galaxy, multi design, multi print, and there is a golden running and the stone work. Very lovely color. The combinations are very royal and rich look. These are all varieties you can purchase from the Kesaria manufacturers. This is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, which is lavender color, lovely print with the pearl, Katrina suit, which is a creamish piping work, the mini print, heavy print, and there is a piping work also with the chunky work, which is Katrina is the code, and you have a beautiful dupatta. Okay, this is also dupatta. Every color charts I'm keeping you. One more color, peacock blue with military green color, I can say. Very print. This is Suneri collections. Suneri collections. This is also beautiful. And you have a lovely, this thing, dupatta. So, Suneri with dupatta. This is one of the pattern. You have a mirror work. In this also you have a lovely collections. If I talk about the one more pattern, digital with light color, Juskin. These all collections you can easily add into your business. This is one of the pattern. Lovely grey color shade. Okay, Juskin is the code. And I have a chiffon based dupatta. Okay, this is dupatta. Floral. And next color which is mustard yellow with the chamki, golden chamki work. Beautiful. It's Hansini collection. Chamki work at the bottom of the suit. 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Total 7.5 to 8 meters. You can see the suit material, top, bottom and dupatta you can purchase. These all collections you have a beautiful varieties. Every zipper package we have a unique colorful charts of the royal boutique business resellers. So if you are into a suit material business, you can also purchase these kind of varieties, and you, when you have a time, you can visit. You can do the visit purchase. And here the trolley over here, you can see around the trolley you can see all the printed saris. You have a linen cotton border saris, sequence of work saris. The saris which are you're watching here, all these are Gadwal cotton, the sequence work saris of digital printed, customized based saris on stretchable based of the almost varieties, the mixed purchase which has been. And this is what the segment where it is going for the online and the video calling purchase, how the online people are very busy into the online services. You can also purchase and you can also add into your business. Try to visit once Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located at Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. Shop will be there, and there is video calling also. See what your options pan India. You can do it, and worldwide we do have a logistic services, sea services, cargo services. No doubt about the quality or the quantity. We no need to language barrier. We do have a sales executives and all the language people. The numbers are scrolling on the screen. So before the festival season starts, you have to prepare for the new collection stocks. You have to add to make your customers happy. So hope you enjoyed this jam cotton fabric of suit material, all these latest unique designs. So to make your customers happy, before getting out of stock, add into your business. Hope you enjoyed this collection. Subscribe to the channel. There's a bell icon. Just click it. Share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. Next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.